The world of men is ending. I have seen it. I have felt it. In the fires of Mount Doom, a ranger and a wraith, bound together in death, craft the one thing that could challenge the Dark Lord. A ring of power. Power can blind those who seek it, and even the strongest bonds can be broken. The future I have seen cannot come to pass.
Celebrimbor.
Death calls to you again, Ranger. How do you answer?
Talion, this is beautiful. Where did you find it?
Oh, I still have a few friends left in Gondor. What's wrong, my love?
The past is the past. Nothing can be changed.
We must leave this place. We can go now.
Not too late. What it is.
The Wraith calls to you. I call to you.
Wraith! Where are you?
Silence! He has left his mark on you, as I left mine on the ones he loved. Where is he? I thirst for slaughter. He thirsts for the same thing as you. Keeps rising from the grave with the spirit that burns inside him. Drinks deep with slaughter. Yes. Moves like a ghost. Fights like a devil! I'll tell you, I've seen him, face to face. He told me to tell you, you're next. You would do his bidding. You will do. Brave Walker! Enough of your games! Show yourself and I will kill you!
I wish you could.